Bonjour, c'est Clara Clearly French. Today I'm going to show you how to use de in French sentences. I know the de and the a are always a problem for students, and I've already covered the a in a previous video. This is about the de. One of the basic uses of de is to indicate possession or origin. The of or the from, if you like. Aujourd'hui, c'est l'anniversaire de mon frère. Today is my brother's birthday. And because we say the birthday of my brother, you've got this of in the middle you have to have, which is de. C'est la voiture de mes parents. It's my parents' car. Again, the car of my parents. Elle revient de Bordeaux. She's just come back from Bordeaux. And the de here is from. You will also find de automatically after certain verbs. On a décidé de partir lundi. We decided to leave on Monday. J'ai oublié de t'en parler. I forgot to tell you about it. Il a essayé de sauter par-dessus la clôture. He tried to jump above the fence. We also use de to indicate quantity, even when it's a negative. On a beaucoup de travail en ce moment. We have a lot of work at the moment. Je n'ai pas de vélo. I don't have a bike. You see, pas is a quantity, you have none of something, so you need the de. Il y a trop de monde ici. There's too many people here. You will also need de after indefinite expressions like quelque chose, rien, quelqu'un ou personne. Elle m'a raconté quelque chose de drôle. She told me something funny. Je n'ai rien fait de spécial hier. I didn't do anything special yesterday. Il n'y a personne d'intéressant ici. There's no one interesting in here. You will also need it to build compound nouns or to define a thing, like une boîte de chocolat, a box of chocolates. Une tasse de café, a cup of coffee. Un problème de maths, a maths problem, or math as you say in the US. We also like to use it to express cause or reason. Je meurs de faim. I'm starving, which is literally I'm dying of hunger. Elle pleure de joie. She's crying from joy. Ils ont poussé un cri de surprise. They gave a cry of surprise. You will also need de after adjectives, often to do with emotion, quantity or opinion. Je suis contente de vous voir. I'm glad to see you. Elles sont incapables de faire ça. They are incapable of doing this. Il est toujours jaloux de son frère. He's always jealous of his brother. Now, the de to introduce an infinitive, we've seen that it's often the complement of verbs like décider de, demander de, adjectives, nouns. We've seen all this, but it's not just that. We use it generally in a structure that expresses emotions, intentions, or relationships between actions. Let me show you a few examples. Je lui ai demandé de m'aider à préparer le dîner. I asked him or her to help me prepare dinner. Il est important de réfléchir avant de répondre. It's important to think before answering. Elle a promis de m'écrire dès qu'elle arriverait. She promised to write to me as soon as she arrived. Le prof a conseillé aux élèves de réviser tous les chapitres. The teacher advised the students to review all the chapters. If you like this video and would like to support me, I would really appreciate it if you would leave a small tip by clicking the Ko-fi link in the description. Merci d'avance et à bientôt.